Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this session in which we will discuss this wonderful equation. A presentation already you have on the YouTube. Its title is Can You Solve This and Math Olympiad. Yeah, and it is a Learn from your Liza channel. So I have given you this link, and please do see the wonderful presentation which gives you the student way of solving it. What I'm going to explain you is how quickly you can use the Excel to come out with to come up with a solution. Yeah, and later on you can do the same thing in a normal, traditional, conventional way. But Excel has got a lot of functionality. It can help you determine the solution use and work out the solution. And at least you should know that what should be the answer you have to arrive at following the steps shown in the video, right? So Excel, the way you are going to use the Excel is that distribute these equation in three forms. So the first part is this, the second part is this, and third part is this, right? So we have these three cells, right? And this is the range which we have named it as X, so that whenever we say X raised to power something, so that means the value placed in it, that is meant, right? Pressing 1. So well, putting 1 in here, so it means 1 raised to power 1 oblique 4, 1 upon 4, right? That is the root of with the 4 in there, right? So similarly you can use the second part of this. So you have to, the first thing what you have to do is distribute the equation in appropriate number of parts. Right? The first part is related to this. The second part is related to this cell, and addition of these two is always equal to this. And this is our target, that it has to come to 5, right? It has to be 0.5. Once it becomes 5, the value of X is determined, and you know what is the value of X, right? So let's use this thing, right? Okay, so I hope it is clear that when you write in this part of the formula in Excel way, the type of means the rule is that you start with the equal sign, and then you type X. X means this. You have already named it as X, K1, right? So this is, you can also type K1 in here, but for readability purposes, we have named it X, so that the formula is more with a enhanced readability, right? X then raised to power is this is exponentation, right? Raised to power. Now, if the root is with 4, so it is 1 oblique 4, 1 upon 4, right? So this way we write this thing. So using the same thing for the second part, so raised to power 4 remains the same, X remains the same, only 19 minus 97 minus X has to be within the parentheses, right? So this is how you have used the second part. The third part is very simple, that it is what you are doing is addition of these two, A plus B, right? A plus B, right? Okay. So these are added. Now we have to use the function what if analysis, in which we have the goal seek. In the goal seek, we set a cell to some value. So we want to set this cell. As soon as we click this, it automatically comes as F17. So you don't have to worry. All you need to do is just click which cell you want to be set to a certain value. What is the certain value? This is 5, yeah, as shown in this diagram, right? So you want, by doing this, you are telling the computer that you want this cell F17 to be set to 5. How would you want it? So by changing the value of X. This is X. Right? Why X not coming? Don't worry about that. It is actually K1, right? It's K1. So this is because this is the cell address which you have to mention by clicking on it, and you can use that then. If you type X here, right, it may cause water. Let's see. It's like okay. So this is the name. This is now. So it may give you the same result. Okay. So you can also use the X, right? So it has come up with it has found the solution, that is almost 16. 16 is the value which is the value of X, which makes this part of the equation equal to 5, right? So this is the first thing, right? And when we see the solution, we compare this solution to the video, what video has given us. You see, the 16 is here, but there's an 81 also, and it is also telling you there is no real solution. Means some equations in which there are more than two results, then it is said to be no real solution. That means more than one option are available, whether you keep a value of x as 16 or 81. So let's put 81 and see. Yeah. So let's say, let's put 20. You see, the changes will come and it will change, right? 30, 40, 45, right? It is changing, right? Now, as soon as you reach to 81, it again gets 5, and that's why you have no real solution for this equation. Means no unique solution. There are multiple solutions can arrive to equate this equation to 5. Right? So this is very interesting, and you can use this approach and use the Excel to determine what are the other systems. Now, how would you use goal seek? For example, you have if you use 1, so it will always, and using the Excel goal seek, it will give you only one solution, that's a 16, because you are starting with a 1, right? So this, you want it to be set to 5 by changing this. This will take you 15.999, and that's right. Okay, so that's 16. And how would you make Excel to come up with 81 as shown in this solution? So it's very easy. While keeping a value, say anything higher than 16, say 17 or 18. Okay, so now if you run the goal seek again, and you set this cell to come up to 5, and by changing the cell, so this time it will not take you to the 15.99 or 16, but it will proceed further and find out 81. Now it is 16, right? Okay, and if you use it because this was near, right? So you have to make it a bit further, right? And now you try to get the goal seek working to it. So you want to set this cell to 5 by changing this, okay, and click OK. So this time again, it starts over, right from the 15. It starts from the 0, and it's keep on doing and giving you the first available solution, right? So what if you put say 79? Okay, put 79. Now it is closer to 81, right? And this time you do the goal seek again, and you set this cell to 5 by changing this cell. So this time it will take you to, so the nearest solution. So this time it has not started from from 0 and landed to the 15.9. Rather, it found that from 79 it is much closer to 81 than other solution which is available. So that's why it has determined 81. Right. So I hope you enjoyed this facility of Excel, the goal seek, a wonderful thing which can assist the students to see the solution, to target the solution, to verify their own working. Right. Thank you very much for watching. Let's test ourselves about our learning. So there are the 2 questions we can answer. Goal seek in Excel is a tool that helps you find the output value in a formula for which you already know the input, or helps you find the input value in a formula for which you already know the outcome or output, right? Yeah. So, or it helps you find the minimum value in a formula for which you already know that, or the maximum value in a formula. So the right answer is this. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question: goal seek is a tool located where? And a data analysis, yeah, and solver. No, okay, and data forecast and what if analysis. Data forecast and what if analysis, and data analyze and data analysis. Data analyze and data analysis. No, okay, or data analyze. So the right answer is data forecast and what if analysis. That is going to take you to the focus. So right answer is this. Hey, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next presentation.